Hi, welcome back to Sadie Spincraft. I'm feeling loads better. Not tip-top, but I am feeling better. I'm getting energy back. Yeah, starting to feel good. And I think this has something to do with it, that my daughter's bought me. How exciting. Let's get into it. Hey, get up. What have we got? I love it when they listen. So, as we all know, I got last year. I think it was my birthday last year, or for Christmas. I'm not sure which way. Can't remember. But anyway, I bought 400 grams of grey merino and 400 grams of Morit Shetland from Adelaide Walkers when I got my hand carders. It was last year, right? So there isn't enough with 400 grams of each to do two jumpers, one in brown, one in grey. So we've got some more grey. There's another 400 grams there, so that's 800 altogether. I should have enough. Should. So, and then there's another 400 grams of the brown. I'm all excited. And then she's got me. This looks like Rambouillet. Yeah, it is. She's got me 400 grams of Rambouillet. That's going to get dyed up. I've got a new dye. And yeah, it needs using. And this is White Cornmeal. So the girl does listen. So this was from Kimberly for Mother's Day. Yes, it's a little bit late, but she had to wait till she got paid. So, yay! I've got 4, 8, 12, 16. So, 1,600 grams, which is at least a kilogram, and 600. I've got over a kilogram of wool. Not that I haven't got over a kilogram of wool anyway, but that's not the point. But, nice big box there for Kid Cats to play in. I should pop that down there. Give me a second. I'm back. So this is the other merino and Shetland that I got. So these are what I got from Adelaide Walker, and they were from 3 bobbins. I've already got 2 done, and I'm doing one now. These I don't spin on camera, but I might start doing them as members only lives or videos, not sure which. But yeah, this is going to become, with this, a nice jumper. I'm not sure if I'm doing grey for Chris and brown for me, or vice versa. Brown for Chris, grey for me. If I do grey for me, I'll be adding the purple Polworth to it that I've done from fleece. Dyed it all, carded it all, and spun it all. And it goes really nice with this. So I might have the grey. And I'm not going to do a top down either. I'm going to do an actual 4-piece and sew it together. Yes, I am. It will have the pockets as well. That's why I'm going to need so much, because I do want pockets. Anyway, that's about the grey, which is for that. And then the brown, I might as well put all this in with this. So we've got that. Hey, that's a different colour. They're different. So that isn't going to go with this. I'm going to have to go back to Adelaide Walker. Although that is softer. So I might just get another 400 grams from W.O.W. But we'll see. But yeah, they're different colours and they're both Morit. Wow. Learn something new every day. So they won't become a jumper, or they will if I go back to Adelaide Walkers and get some of this, or I go back to W.O.W for this one. Meh, I don't know, but either way, we've got a lot of wool to be spinning. So I won't be putting those together in there. I'll put that back in there. So I'm wondering if I've got a chocolate one from Adelaide. I don't know now. I thought it was Morit, but well, hey, life's life. And I went, I suppose I could blend them, couldn't I? Blend them together for one colour, or like a, not a one colour, but oh, you know what I mean. There is words out there for what I'm trying to say. That's what I'm going to do, you know. I'm going to blend it all together on carder. I might even add a bit of colour to it. Oh no, because it's for Chris. So yeah, we'll blend them on the carder. So I will put them together. Yay! So they're going to be one jumper. Look at me getting multiples of the same colour. And then, yeah, the grey was nearly done, and now it's not nearly done. It's nowhere near nearly done now. So, yeah, I thought I'd just bring you along for that little bit of excitement. Keep your eyes out for a future unboxing as well, because I've got something coming from America. I can't wait for that. So I'm getting distracted by kittens. They're big enough to play now. And fire. Coming in to be nosy. Meow. They're so cute. Hunting mum. Anyway. So yeah, they're a distraction. A big distraction. Let's put you back on there. So I want to say thank you so much to the members, Carol, Antoinette from Hooking and Stitching Island Style, Joy and Dawn from Dawn's Loving Hands Creations. I think that's it. Yeah, my book's over there. I keep forgetting to bring it over with me, but I can remember 4. So thank you so much to the members. Lives are starting in April. So from today onwards, I'm going to try and do one for the regular YouTube community and one for members, because they're paying for it and so far I haven't done it, and I do apologise. But I've been in a funk since I lost the kittens and burnout all at the same time. It just really knocked me for six. So I do apologise about that. There's 3 of them there now. Sorry. Right, anyway, I'm going to go. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and a comment. If you want to comment, that is. Give us a hype if you've got any left. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell as well. Thank you to all the returning subscribers. Thank you to all the new subscribers. And I've already said an amazing thank you to the members. Don't forget, no matter where you are in the world, whether it's morning, afternoon, evening or night time, you do what you love doing. Love and hugs to all you fantastic people out there. I'll definitely see you all again very soon. Goodbye, my beautifuls. Mwah.